Airports and seaports. Indian international airports and seaports. First we look at international airports. Not defense only commercial. 1. Indira Gandhi International Airport is located in New Delhi in the state of Delhi. 2. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is located in Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. 3. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is located in Kolkata in the state of West Bengal. Do you know? Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, is the largest airport in India with 3 runways and also in terms of passenger traffic, followed by Mumbai Airport. Zawar Airport, the Noida International Greenfield Airport, which is situated in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, after being operational will become India's largest airport with 6 runways in terms of area. 4. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport is located in Nagpur in the state of Maharashtra. 5. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located in Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat. 6. Chennai International Airport is located in Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu. 7. Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport is located in Guwahati in the state of Assam. 8. Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is located in Lucknow in the state of Uttar Pradesh. 9. Shri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport is located in Amritsar in the state of Punjab. 10. Trivandrum International Airport is located in Thiruvananthapuram in the state of Kerala. 11. Kozhikode, Calicut International Airport is located in Karipur in the state of Kerala. 12. Sheikh Ul Alam International Airport is located in Srinagar in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. 13. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is located in Hyderabad in the state of Telangana. 14. Jaiprakash Narayan International Airport is located in Patna in the state of Bihar. 15. Gaya or Bodh Gaya Airport is located in Gaya in the state of Bihar. 16. Bagdogra Airport is located in Siliguri in the state of West Bengal. 17. Madurai Airport is located in Madurai in the state of Tamil Nadu. Do you know? Gaya Airport usually serves domestic flights only, but the city being a pilgrimage city, the airport operates seasonal flights to international destinations. Patna Airport is classified as a restricted international airport due to its short runway and serves only domestic flights. 18. Jaipur International Airport is located in Jaipur in the state of Rajasthan. 19. Biju Patnaik Airport is located in Bhubaneswar in the state of Odisha. 20. Bir Tikendrajit International Airport is located in Imphal in the state of Manipur. 21. Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Airport is located in Indore in the state of Madhya Pradesh. 22. Kannur International Airport is situated in Kannur in the state of Kerala. 23. Vijayawada International Airport is situated in Vijayawada in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada Airport has been granted to operate international flights, however, there are no commercial international flights operating currently. 24. Surat International Airport is situated in Surat in the state of Gujarat. 25. Tirupati International Airport is located in Tirupati in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati Airport was declared international, however, there are no commercial international flights operating currently. 26. Tiruchirappalli International Airport is located in Tiruchirappalli in the state of Tamil Nadu. 27. Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport is located in Varanasi in the state of Uttar Pradesh. 28. Coimbatore International Airport is located in Coimbatore in the state of Tamil Nadu. 29. Kempegowda International Airport is located in Bengaluru in the state of Karnataka. 30. Mangalore International Airport is located in Mangalore in the state of Karnataka. 31. Goa International or Dabolim Airport is situated in Vasco da Gama in the state of Goa. Do you know? All efforts by airport authorities and the government to get the international tag for Birsa Munda Airport, Ranchi, failed. Despite upgrading its infrastructure for international operations, none of the private flight operators are taking interest in Ranchi as a connecting link for international routes due to lack of passenger traffic. Kushok Bakular Rinpoche Airport in Leh, capital of Union Territory of Ladakh, is the highest commercial airport, domestic, of India located at 3,156 meters above sea level. 32. Veer Savarkar International Airport is situated in Port Blair in the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar. Note: new international airports may get operational in near future because many projects are still under construction. This data is taken from latest government database of 2020. Now we look at seaports. Not Navy base, only commercial dock. 1. Kandala Port or Deen Dayal Port Trust is situated in Kandala in the state of Gujarat. 2. Nhava Shiva Port or Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust JNPT is situated in Navi Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. 3. Mumbai Port is situated in Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. 4. Vizag or Vishakhapatnam Port is situated in Vishakhapatnam in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Do you know? The JNPT, also known as Nhava Shiva Port, is the busiest container port in India with an annual traffic of 5 million 20-foot equivalent unit, TEU. Location of all the major ports are mentioned here. 5. Mormugaon Port is situated in Mormugaon in the state of Goa. 6. New Mangalore Port is situated in Mangalore, Karnataka. 7. Chennai Port is situated in Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu. 8. Cochin Port is situated in Kochi in the state of Kerala. 9. Haldia Port is situated in Haldia in the state of West Bengal. 10. Tuticorin Port is situated in Toothukudi in the state of Tamil Nadu. 11. Paradeep is situated in Paradeep in the state of Odisha. Both the spelling of Paradeep is correct. 12. Ennore or Kamaraj Port is situated in Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu. Do you know? Kamaraj Port Limited, formerly Ennore Port, is the first port in India which is a public company. The Kamaraj Port Limited is the only corporatized major port and is registered as a company. Note: ports like Mundra, which is a private port owned by Adani Group, is also a private port. Many new ports are still under construction, may get operational in near future. Thank you for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel.